Leos, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we'll be looking at your energy starting from 8th till 14th of November. In this video we'll be looking at your past, present and future energies. Okay, so this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you, so take what resonates and leave the rest. Let's get started with your reading. So let's see what's there for my Leos. 8th till 14th of November, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. If you want to book a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below, so you can DM me over there if you want. Let's see. Tell me more about my Leos. 8th till 14th of November. Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. Okay, so at the back of the deck we have the overall energy as the King of Pentacles for you. Okay, so this could be a time where you are feeling fulfilled. Okay, the feeling of getting a lot of things. Basically your overall energy is with the King of Pentacles. It's telling us with the financial stability, and with finances it comes, you know, it's a stability which you want about health and finances and your family. So that is what you are working for, and you want all the stability, all the stable things in your life. In the past we have 10 of Pentacles, 10 of Wands and 8 of Wands. So you have found that stable energies in the past as well. So this could be with some person in your life, or this could be because of finances. Okay, but that stable energies did come in your life in the past, and you really worked hard for that. But with that stability, I feel that there's a lot of responsibility which has also come up, and there was, with the responsibility, it was a lot of pressure which came, and you managed to work with that situation, but somehow you really felt like it's over, and this is something you really wanted to end. So with that happiness, there comes sadness as well. Okay, in the present we have Ace of Swords, 10 of Cups and the 9 of Cups. You feel really grateful, you feel that things are happening, although this is a message from the universe which is telling you, with the 9 of Cups and the 10 of Cups both at the same time, that all the gratitude and all the manifestation which you have worked for in the past, it's actually working for you right now. So what you really need is not only the money and not only the stability. It's like you really have to work for it at the same time. So you are stable because of yourself, because you have put a lot of energies into that stability, into that money making, into that situation. That is the reason you are getting it now. Okay, this is all because of you. So just be grateful to the universe for whatever you have right now. In the coming future we have the 5 of Swords, 2 of Pentacles and 8 of Pentacles. Things might go a little rough in the coming future, because things are really beautiful. So with happiness comes sadness, with sadness comes happiness. Okay, so this is like vice versa thing, and you have to accept all the situations, you have to accept everything in your life which is coming your way. In the coming future there could be a time where you will feel that you are the victim of a situation, or you are not only you being a victim. It's more like when we feel that we are at top of the world because we are working really hard. So you have to be grounded. Okay, this is the energy, this is the message from the universe which has come up for you. You will be really busy, what I'm really getting. There will be a lot of responsibilities coming your way, more responsibilities, more work, more money. Okay, so if you want to make money, if you want to make anything work in your life, you have to work for that thing. Okay, it could be a relationship as well. So let's see. Tell me more about the King of Pentacles in the overall energy. King of Pentacles for my Leos. You could be dealing with a Taurus over here. Tell me more about the King of Pentacles. Okay, 4 of Wands, Queen of Swords and the Page of Swords. Okay, so I think this is you. This is your energy from working from how who you have gone through this transformation from the Page of Swords to the Queen of Swords, from a person who was very always very, like dealing with actions and everything like that, who has now turned up into a very beautiful queen. So I don't mean anything about the genitalia over here, it's more about your energy. So this, with the Queen of Swords, you are becoming a person who is very much into decision making, strong decision maker of her life with the with the Queen of Swords. And with the Page of Swords, you have transformed from Page of Swords to Queen of Swords, with the stability which you always deserve, with the happiness which you always deserve, and you have worked for this happiness. So your overall energy is telling us that the money thing which is coming up, okay, that's fine, but the decision making is also very important in your life. So whatever decisions you have made in the past, and you might even regret some decisions made in the past, but you are now very much how to say this, confident, I feel, that you can take decisions of your life right now. And it's like whatever I do, wherever I'm going now, it's for the best purpose of my life. Okay, so let's see. Tell me more about the Ten of Wands and the past energies for my Leos. Wow, okay. The Lovers, Seven of Pentacles and Seven of Cups. So it could be like there was a decision making in the past and you felt that you were so much responsible for everything. I feel that somewhere you feel that you are responsible for a heartbreak as well. Okay, for those people who are dealing with something in relation with love, you feel that you were responsible for the heartbreak for the breakup which happened between you and your person. It was very beautiful, but because of things moving so fast and moving so much that you couldn't find where to go and what to choose. So you kind of taken the wrong decision at that time. You feel that because things were going really really fast at that time, and you couldn't even give any time. There was like patience was involved, but you couldn't put any attention towards any kind of patience at that time. So it could be you, it could be a person as well who has done the same thing. So just take as it resonates. But the love energies are quite showing me very positive signs in the past, whatever the decision making was there. When we become, because of the illusions which we get in front of us, because of those illusions, we take some decisions. And because of those decisions, we just regret something. That is why you feel regret in the overall energy. You feel that there are some decisions which you have taken and you feel that you regret those decisions, but that's fine. This is how you groom, this is how you grow. Okay. Tell me more about the Ace of Swords in the present energies. Two of Pentacles, Three of Wands, and the Fool. Okay. I feel right now you are too busy to work on yourself, that you are not, I don't see you working on yourself. This is more like you working in a business or your job. Thing is so much like it involves so much of work and so much of responsibility that you don't have any time to give to yourself. This is more of you being there for everyone but not for yourself. Yeah, you might be traveling. I feel that you are traveling to different places, or this is like abroad. You are taking a leap of faith in the situation which is going on at present. This could be a new relationship you are entering into, because you feel that, okay, so after so much of time, I have been single for a long period of time. Now it's time to move on, move happily towards something new. Okay, so this is a new beginning in which you are entering. It could involve new beginning in finances, new beginning in love, new beginning in anything, but this is definitely a new beginning, a new transformation which has come up in you, and you have taken a step forward towards it, whatever this is. Tell me more about the Ten of Cups. What exactly this is? Is this love or this is like family thing? What exactly this is? Ten of Cups. The Hermit energy. Okay, so I feel that you have been, as I already told you, that there was a lot of time when you were alone for a long period of time, and now you feel that it's better to move forward happily with somebody. If somebody loves you, if there is someone who is trying to give his or her hand to you, like a cup of love to you, you are now ready to accept that cup. You know, see how beautifully the two people are holding the same cup at the same time. So yeah, this could be you with the Ten of Pentacles. Wow, this, with this comes stability, and I see a lot of 10 in your energy, in your reading. So this definitely means that you have achieved a level of exhaustion. You know, exhaustion, like the responsibility. This is the height of responsibility you could have ever get. This is the height of stability you could have ever get. Height of love you could have ever get. So this is why your emotions, your love, your everything is coming up into place, and you are trying, you are working for yourself over here with the Nine of Swords. Yeah, times are not always good. As I already told you, you will feel somehow that it's bad, it's sometimes bad, it's sometimes good. So you have to, how you are taking the things, that is up to you. Okay, tell me more about the Five of Swords. We have Justice, Wheel of Fortune, and the Six of Cups. Wow. So in the coming future, it's coming up with the Six of Cups and the Justice with the Wheel of Fortune. It tells us that, you know, their like memories, they always try to haunt us. Okay, so good memories or bad memories, it doesn't matter what exactly is coming your way, but definitely there is something from the past which is coming up towards you. It could be somebody, for some of you, if you are going, if you are looking, only for some of you, this could be a person from the past with whom you had some karmic imbalance, or which needs to be done, which needs to be balanced. So you might meet this person from the past again. It could be your ex-wife, ex-husband, ex-girlfriend, boyfriend, anything. But yeah, somebody definitely is coming from the past, because sorry, because with the Wheel of Fortune, I see that luck is on your side. So if you deserve somebody who is coming your way, who needs to be with you, if the universe feels that this person needs to be with you, so this person is definitely coming your way. Okay, so this is somebody from the past, definitely coming. Tell me more about the Eight of Pentacles. I feel that you are really busy in the coming future. Five of Swords, Empress, and the High Priestess. Yeah, you are being a very busy person in the coming future, who might work so much that you might feel that you are the victim of the situation. You might feel that, okay, why am I working so much and I'm getting the same salary as the other people, and they are not doing so much the way I am doing. So yes, you will be feeling a little victim in the situation, but still, because of your nature, it's so good that you somehow manage to escape the situation as well. I feel that. And yeah, this is something which is very different. Yeah, tell me more about the future energies. I want to know more what's coming up for my Leos. Wow, see, 9 again, the Two of Swords, King of Swords, Nine of Cups, and the Two of Swords. Things, because of the Queen of Swords also in your reading, I see with the Queen of Swords and the King of Swords, this is definitely being a little harsh towards people around you. You have become so quiet, and you have become so beautiful, you have become so good in your communication, that people always try to take advantage of you. So that is why I see that you are not ready to be taken advantage of. So you are becoming a little harsh, and that is totally fine, because you have to take some decisions by yourself. You cannot just be manipulated by someone else. You cannot just ask your decision making from someone else. You have to take decisions, and you will be the one who will be actually taking decisions and being authoritative in the situation, whatever is coming your way. So this is a very strong Leo personality which I am actually looking towards. And yeah, that is all from my side, my dear Leos. I hope that helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.